Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 251. We start with this column. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column now we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 9, 7 here, so 1, 9, 7 here, 1, 9. That means that our 7 has to be here. For this box now we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so that makes this our 9, 1, 4, and that 1 makes this our 9. For this box now we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row we're missing 1 and 2. I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this row we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got the 3 here, so 2, 8, and 8 here, so 2, 3, and no help here, 2, 3, 8. For this top row, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. No help here, 2, 5, 7. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 7. 5 here, so 2, 7. That means our 5 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 8. We've got the 4 and 8 here. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And no help over here. But because the 1 and 2s have to be here, that means that our 4 and 8s have to be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 7, and 9. Got a 3 and 7 here, so 1, 9. 1, 3, and 9 here, so this is our 7. 3 here and a 9 here means this is our 1. That 9 means this is our 3, and our 9 has to be here. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. Right. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row then, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. Got a 9 here, so 2, 6, no help here, 2, 6, 9, and no help here, 2, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. Got a 2 here, so 1, 8, and a 1 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 9 here, so 4, 7. The 9 here, so 1, 4, 7. 7 here, so 1, 4, 9. 4 and 7 here, so 1, 9. We look at this row, we're missing 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got the 1 here, so 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and 9 here, so 6, 7, 8. 7 here, 6 and 8. Means this is 1 or 9. And 7, so 1, 6, 8, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Get the 3 and the 8 here. So 2, 4, 6. Same here. 2, 4, 6. Got the 6 here and an 8. So 2, 3, 4. We've got the 4 and 6 here. So 2, 3, 8. And now we just need to look back through here. All right, well, even looking back over, I am not discovering anything new. So we can try plugging in and see how that goes. I'm not super confident. Let's call this our 4 and this our 8. Does that do anything for us? Can get rid of this 8. This 4, this 4. That makes this our 7. So we can get rid of this 7 and this 7. And that's about all we got out of that. So what if we make this our 1 and 2? That 1 makes this our 8, 2. That 2 makes this our 3. The 2 and 3 make this our 4. So now we can get rid of this 3 and 8. That makes this our 2. 8. And that 2 makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 9. The 1 and 9 make this our 4. Oh, and that can't be right because that makes 2 4s here. So, oh well, we tried. If you saw where I missed something on that one, please do leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.